After connecting your detector with the 3D software via Bluetooth, start a new scan by clicking on Import. Select your detector and the interface. Select the operating mode Live Sound. Decide if you want to enable the inductive SRIS search coil and click OK to save your settings. As soon as the software is ready to record scan values, the control panel will be displayed. Click the trigger button to start your measurement. Keep the probe straight in vertical orientation. Move the probe slowly in any direction, forwards, backwards, to the left and to the right. The red signals moving upwards are positive magnetic poles of ferromagnetic objects. The blue signals moving downwards are negative magnetic poles. The scan values will reach its peak directly above the target object. Finish your live sound scan by clicking on the red Finish Import button.